happy. I wanna happier. I wanna be happier. Anyway, yun nga, I am so happy with this purchase. Super like ko na siya talaga. And I think hi! This is Jasminion Marie again. And welcome back to my channel. Okay, so this time I am going to unbox again another package from Shopee. But this time it's for my cell phone. It's for vlogging naman. Okay. So, eto ngayon. So this one, supposed to be last week ko pa siya i-unbox. Kaso, medyo nawalan din lang ako ng time. Okay. Wow, nawalan ako ng time. So, yun. Okay. So, let's start unboxing, unplasticking this one. Okay. So, I got this one. Actually, matagal ko nang balak bilhin to. Sirain ko na yung plastic. Matagal ko nang balak bilhin to. Pero, ewan ko, bakit hindi ko siya binibili? Kung ano-ano pa yung mga inuna ko. So, ayan siya. Wait, I cannot open this. Yeah. Matindi ang scotch tape and the bubble wrap. So, ayan. I-unbox ko na siya para sa mga susunod kong vlogs, gagamitin ko na siya. Okay. So, I got 3 items lang naman. So, I got this one. It's Boya microphone. This is universal cardioid microphone. So this is BY-M1. Okay? So, I got this one from GADGET. They are authorized distributor of Boya Philippines. Okay. So, as stated here, this one is compatible to cell phones, iPods, laptops, cameras, and video cameras. Okay? So, the next item that I bought is this ULANZI na, what do you call this? This one naman, it's for the pang-clip ng cellphone para dun sa mga tripods. Kasi yung sometimes yung mga mabibili mo, it's parang hindi worth it kasi bigla na lang tatalsik yung cellphone mo. Okay? So, eto, I got this one. Ang sabi daw kasi, the ULANZI, magandang brand na yan. Okay? So, the next one, I bought this one. Eto, it's, parang pang-clean ata ng cameras, ganyan. So, yung mga dust na sumisiksik sa mga cameras, ayan. So, I bought this one also. Okay. So, let's start unboxing the first one. This one, the ULANZI. Kaso, wala akong cellphone kasi ginagamit ko siya ngayon. Hindi ako nagka-camera when vlogging. Ewan ko bakit tinatamad ako. So, ayan. Ito, So, very stable siya. I mean, very durable. Okay, stable talaga. So, ayan, it's metal. And then, this one, it's kinda rubber. Yan. Yung pang-ipit niya para hindi magasgasan yung cellphone natin. Okay? So, this is also adjustable depending on the cellphone. So, you are just going to parang screw it off. Yan. So, it depends kung gaano kalaki yung cellphone mo. Okay? So, I am just going to use it later. And then, I think this one, the hole here is for the tripod. Yung pang-iikot mo siya sa tripod. And then, this one naman, it's for the, I think this one is for the light. Okay? So, next project ko na yung light. Okay. So, again, this is ULANZI. And then, I think this one is very durable and very worthy to buy. Kasi it's metal na. Okay? So, magandang brand na din siya. I am going to put the link on the description box para kung saan nyo siya mabibili. Okay? The next one is this, the Boya. So, as I've said earlier, this is compatible to smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, and audio recorders, and etc. This one is compact and lightweight directional mic. It's rugged metal construction, no battery required, and professional furry windshield included. Meron siyang fur para yung, alam mo yun, yung mga ingay-ingay sa paligid, hindi siya ganun ka maririnig if you are going to use this microphone. Okay? So, okay. So, ayan siya. Ang ganda, di ba? So, what are the contents of this one? The first one is the fur. Okay. Wait. Nasa loob yung microphone. So, parang feeling ko naman is maganda tong, ano na to. Maganda itong brand na to, Boya. So, this one is the fur. But you can just use the microphone alone without the fur. Pero this one, ang advantage nito is, yun nga, malalesen yung sound sa background. So, parang concentrated yung microphone dun sa voice mo. I mean, yun lang yung maririnig. Almost, sana. Okay. So, ayun nga, this is the fur, and this is the microphone. The next one is the attachment, where, so, this one is for the tripod. Okay. So, ayan. And then, the next one is the cord. This is for the, it's a connector. This one is for the microphone connector, and then this one is for the smartphone. Okay. And then this one naman, I think this one is also like that. And then it also comes with this one. It's the pouch niya. It's a free pouch. It's a leatherette pouch. Okay. So I am going to try it on later. Para for you to check out the quality. Kasi like right now, you can hear the air condition sa aking video. Pero later, I am going to make a video if I am going to use my my camera trying out the Boya microphone for my cell phone. Okay? Ayun. Reading ko, the Boya camera, the Boya microphone is compatible for your cameras and smartphones na din. Okay? So, yun nga. The other one is this one. Actually, kahit hindi ko na din naman siya So, eto nga is the alam mo yan, parang pang-vacuum ng mga, tawag doon, ng mga dirt in your cameras or whatsoever. Tapos, it also comes with microfiber na pamunas. And then, what is this? It's a brush. Okay. So, yan. It's a brush. Okay? So, I'm done unboxing these 3 items I got in Shopee. So, again, it's the ULANZI, then the Boya microphone with the fur, and then the cleaner. Okay. So, I am going to try on the microphone and the ULANZI. Okay. So, I am back. So, ayan. Right now, I am using the By-Mm1, the Boya microphone. So, it's already attached on my cell phone as well as the ULANZI. And very, very, very matibay talaga yung ULANZI. Okay? So, for the Boya, let's see if hindi ko pa din na-check. So, let's compare to the una kong video. Yung sumunod lang dito. Okay. So, let's compare the first video, which is yung pag-unbox ko. That's the one without the microphone. So, this time, I am using it right now. So, tingnan natin kung hindi na natin maririnig yung ingay ng aircon. Okay. Also, take note of this one. Kanina, I showed you the cords. It comes in 2 cords, diba? For this one. So, this one is the first cord. Ayan, the straight one. So, the straight one pala, there's a difference between the straight and the spring type na cord. Okay? So, the first one, ayan, yung gamit ko right now. So, that's the straight cords. That is only used for smartphones, tablets, and Mac. Okay? So, while this one naman, the kulot-kulot, the spring type na cord, this one naman, it's used for cameras, camcorders, audio recorders, and other audio and video recording devices. Okay? So, take note of that one. Kasi if you're going to use it on your smartphone, hindi siya gagana. Okay? Also, it's very easy using this one. Hindi ako makapaniwala. Wow, hindi ako makapaniwala. Hindi ako makapaniwala kasi it's very easy. Unlike the other, diba? Like, if you're going to attach other devices or other gadgets on your cell phone itself, you're going to turn on the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi. Kailangan mo pag gumamit ng ganon. Pero for this one, the Boya microphone, it's just easy as that. Just connect the cord on your cell phone and then connect the cord on the camera. That's it. O, diba? Wala ka nang aalalahanin pa. Just make sure to use the correct cord. Okay? So, let's see. I am going to hear again the video, this one. So, let's see if there's a difference on the first one. Okay? So, as I've said earlier, so this one is the cord attachment for the smartphones, for the Mac, and for the tablets. Okay? So, ayan, it's just easy as that. So, you're just going to attach this one in the microphone. So, it's indicated naman right here. And then, this one is for the smartphone. So, yun. Attach lang ng gano'n, diba? It's very easy. So, ayun nga, I've already checked out the video I recorded earlier. So, that's dalawa. So, the one without the microphone and then the one with the microphone. So, ayun nga, as of now, I am still using the Boya microphone. And masasabi ko naman talaga na there is really difference between the two videos. Okay? So, kung kanina is sobrang maririnig mo yung tunog ng aircon, yung ugong ng aircon. On this video, wala ka ng kahit papano na-lessen yung tunog ng aircon. So, I am very much happy. I wanna happier. I wanna be happier. Anyway, yun nga, I am so happy with this purchase. Super like ko na siya talaga. And I think it's worth it naman. Pero yun lang nga, yung mga maririnig mo mga dogs and the tricycles, maririnig mo pa rin siya. But the other, like, yung mga ipasulpot-sulpot na sounds, yun, na-lessen siya. So, this one, it's really a good purchase. It's really a good investment. Magkano ba to? It's parang 1,000 something. Okay na din siya. Okay? Compared to dun sa mga, like, yung mga mamahalin talaga. This one, it's a good purchase na rin. Okay? So, again, I bought this one at GADGET. So, they are Boya authorized distributor in the Philippines. So, again, I am going to put the link down below in the description box so that you can see where did I bought these items. Okay? So, I think this is the end of my video. This is JASMINIONS now signing off. Okay? But wait, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Paki-hit na rin yung notification bell so that you will be updated on all the videos that I am going to upload. Okay? So, bye!